In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of viewing and reading Netscape Mail using the BitRecover free Netscape Viewer. To install the BitRecover free Netscape Viewer, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Open button. This tool provides users with Select Folder or Select File options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select the folder containing the Netscape Mail you want to view. Then, click the OK button. A panel showing the entire structure of Netscape Mail will appear on the left. Click on any of the folders to preview its contents. Our tool has a section that shows if an email contains attachments. Select an email to view the message. This tool only displays relevant information in the preview section. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.